Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start a Google Chat. All right. First up, if you don't have the app, all right, you're gonna want to go ahead and open up your web browser. In here, just type in Google Chat. All right. As you can see here, we'll be able to find Google Chat at the first link. Just click on it. And if you want to download the Google Chat app on your computer, I have a separate video for that. Just go and look for it. To start a Google Chat, you're just going to want to go to the new chat icon right here at the top left. Click on it. Now, go ahead and look for the person. For example, I wanted to chat someone from here in this contact list of mine. For example, here, my sister. So what I'm going to do is just click on new chat here. I'm going to add a person, row one. And then here, I'm just going to click on her email. All right. And then I'm going to click on start chat. Wait for the website to load. As you can see here, you just be able to send a message right here. For example, hi, hit on send, and you just started a Google Chat. All right. If you want to, you can go ahead and go to your contact list right here at the right pane. Now go ahead and go to contacts, and here select the particular email or contact. For example, I'm going to chat again this person. I'm just going to click on it, and we'll be able to find send email, schedule an event, and of course send a message and also call. All right, it could be a voice call or video call right here. Now on phone, same set of steps. Here, search to chat. If you want to chat someone who is not listed in your friends list, all right, just go ahead and look it up right here in the search and chat section. Let's just find, for example, my secondary email right here. Right, this one. This email right here is not a friend in my main Gmail. All right, I'm going to tap on this one. And I'm just going to say hi right here. And as you can see, you can just be able to send a message to this email. That's basically how you start a Google Chat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.